Today we're making the fiery Italian classic pasta arrabbiata with spicy tomato sauce. A simple meal with a satisfying kick. Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to our Dinner and a Side 7-part pasta series. I've got a wonderful recipe for you today. This is my husband's favorite pasta, penne all'arrabbiata. This is a fresh tomato pasta with a little spicy kick. If you didn't catch the other videos, all the links are available down in the description. Watch one or watch them all. First, let's cook the penne. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil, add the penne and cook it according to the package, which usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. While cooking the pasta, we'll start on the sauce. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add the thinly sliced garlic, and saute it until it's fragrant and golden. Next, add about a teaspoon of red pepper flakes and some red chilies. Give it a quick stir to release all of those spicy flavors. You can adjust how much spice you add to suit your preference. Now pour in the crushed tomatoes. Stir it well and bring the sauce to a simmer. Let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes so that the water in the tomatoes can evaporate. Don't forget to season it with a pinch of salt. I like to add some baking soda to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. Once the pasta is cooked, drain it and add it directly into the sauce. Toss everything together so the penne is evenly coated with the spicy tomato sauce. Finish off with some fresh basil or parsley and a generous sprinkle of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, penne arrabbiata. This dish is perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or impressing guests with its bold flavors. If you're a pasta fan, give us a thumbs up and be sure to check out the others in our 7-part pasta series. The links are in the description.